Julie, do you give me permission to record you for my assessment?
I do give you permission.
Okay. Alrighty. I'm just going to wash my hands. I'm going to do a general overview of the patient and the room, which is safe. My patient is a female adult who is well kempt. She's of average weight and no apparent distress. So to get started today, I am going to first assess your skin. Okay. Looking for temperature, dryness, skin turgor, color. I'm going to check your nails for clubbing. Capillary refill. Good. Okay. Now I'm going to assess your head. Going to take a look at your hair, part through your hair. Okay. Going to assess your head. Good. Okay. Next, I'm going to assess your eyes. First, we'll do a vision test. I will use my Snellen chart from 20 feet away. I'll have you stand up. I'll have you cover one eye at a time and tell me the lowest row that you can read.
EPTZ0.
Okay, and now again with the other eye.
This one's worse. DHJBS.
Okay, good. All right. I'll have you sit. And I will check your eyes. I will look at your eye structures. Okay, I'll have you look straight ahead. Looking at the lens and cornea. Okay, I'm just going to turn the light down a little bit here and look for your pupillary reflex. Good. Okay. I'm now going to look a little bit closer into your eyes. I'll have you look right over my shoulder. Straight. Keep your head straight. Just look over my shoulder. Okay. Good. Now again with the other side. Look over my shoulder again. Good. I'm now going to simply assess your eyes. Color. Any mistiness? Okay. Can you look up for me? Sorry, I meant down. Good. I'll have you look up for me. Good. Good. I'll have you follow my hand, with your both eyes. Good. Okay. Now I will be checking your ears. First we'll do a couple hearing tests. First one we're going to do is the whisper test. I'm going to have you cover one ear at a time and I'll whisper a word and I want you to tell me what the word is. Okay? I'll have you cover that left ear first.
Apple. Apple.
Good. I'll cover the other ear.
Orange. Orange.
Good. Okay. The next test is called a Weber test. With the tuning fork, I'm going to hit it. It's going to vibrate. You should hear noise in the middle If not, tell me which side you hear it on the most.
Middle.
Middle. Good. Okay. Next one is the rhyme test. I'm going to do the same thing, but I'm going to place it here, and then I'm going to place it next to your ear, and I want you to tell me where you hear it louder. Okay? First with the right ear.
That one is much louder.
Near the ear?
Yeah.
Okay. Good. And again with the other ear.
Louder there.
Good. Okay. I'll also simply assess your ears. Looking for any tenderness, lesions. Okay, good. Now I'm going to take a closer look inside those ears. Oracle up. Okay. Good. Looks good. Next ear. Back again. Good. Now I'm going to assess your nose. I'm going to check for symmetry, tenderness here. Okay, I'll have you breathe in gently. Good. And again. Good. Okay. Okay. Now I will take a look up the nose. Good. And on the other side. Good. Okay, I'm going to do a little sniff test. I'm going to cover one nostril, and I'll see if you can smell on the opposite nostril with the alcohol swab. Okay. Smell that?
Oh, yeah.
Good. Next. Good. Now I'm going to look at your, I'm going to check your sinuses. Any tenderness here?
No.
Okay. And here?
No.
Okay, good. Now I'll check your mouth. Okay. First thing I'm going to do is look at your lips, check for any lesions, dryness. I'll have you open your mouth, looking at the teeth, the gums. Make sure the tongue is midline. I'll have you say, ah, ah. Okay, to visualize the uvula, the pharynx, the tonsils. Normally I would have gloves on for this. I'm going to check your tongue on the sides, looking for any lesions. Good. Okay, next I'm going to check your neck. All right, I'm going to just take a quick visual exam, palpate the trachea, make sure it's midline. Okay, beautiful. I'm going to take a look at your thyroid. I'll have you turn a little bit this way. Visualize the lower lobes. No, that way.
The screen's darkening.
Good. Okay. And now I'm going to have you just put your chin up a little bit, and I'll have you take a sip of water. Just gonna, with your chin up. Good. Okay. Now I'm just going to palpate the thyroid from the front first. Checking for any nodules, enlargement. Okay. Check the lobes a little bit closer. Good. I'll have you take another sip of water while I'm palpating. Good. All right. And lastly, I'm going to check I'm going to palpate your lymph nodes. Okay. Preauricular, postauricular, occipital, tonsillar, maxillary, submental, cervical. Okay, that's it. You're in great health.
Hey, thank you, doctor.
My name's nurse practitioner.